Hi! So we've been out here, we're gonna go to this fucking place. I think we're gonna go bowling. I don't think, I know we are. We have till 1 a.m. Right now I'm gonna put a clock on here. It's some clock time. What's up? Are we all in line for bowling right now?
Yeah.
For real?
We just had a party, so they're cleaning off some of the lanes.
Do you think there's enough for us? That's the realest answer.
Yeah.
I'm rocking my hair this way now because this Samoan girl made me do it. Hey! Sir? You took my wallet.
I didn't take anything, dude. What are you talking about?
Give me my wallet. Dick. Hey, look, I like this song. Hey, feel me.
Did you feel like punching her in the
Don't
face?
be shy.
No.
Hey, feel me.
I did. I felt like punching her in
Don't
the
be
face.
shy.
This is Wally.
My vlog.
You drinking some beer?
Woo!
Beer.
Fuck that, it's gonna be $30. You can take this with
It's
you.
more than we thought.
$62?
You remind me of a girl that I once knew. Yeah, Raul was paying for it.
What if we like 5 out?
Because Raul's paying for it. This girl likes me right here. Oh, pretty sure she likes me.
She fucking hates me!
That one. Stop trying to make your feet sound big. So take a look at my shoes. Hi, my name is Adam Karate. And I suck
No, it's
dicks.
not. How do you zoom in on this thing?
Wow! Yeah! Woo! Hi. My name is Adam / Rusty / Russell / Soy. And these pictures are going fucking down, bruh. That wasn't even my turn. Oh. That was a napkin.
Why is one of them already down? I don't know. There's like 2 already on the ground.
Drinking all day, but if you look over here, he's 100% right there. He's up with 100% right there.
Iron and water right there,
He's up
yo.
with 100% right there. I've been drinking all day. He's 100% right there.
What's happening?
My name is Brittany. I love bowling. If you don't know me.
Oh shit, he's ferry. He's ferry. Go.
Whose turn is it?
What's up, Xbox Live? How you doing? It's Destiny right here, boy.
I'm back in the 7-10 split. Field goal, baby. Watch this. I sure did.
I hit some. So excited. Yeah. Tell us how was your day today? What did you do?
Can we go to IHOP tonight?
You're gonna have to speak up because there's a.
IHOP tonight, boy. I want to go to IHOP, boy.
Did you make a lot of
I want
money?
to go to IHOP, boy.
Was it worth it?
Not bad, not bad.
How was your day, Marianne?
Eventful.
What'd you do all day?
Work.
Did you make a lot of money?
Nope.